Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling the system permission that allows apps to float. Open Settings, go to Apps and Notifications, then Special Access, and choose Display over other apps. Turn the toggle on for the app you want to use in a floating window. Once done, make sure your phone's navigation mode supports easy window controls, because how you navigate affects how you dismiss or resize the float. This gives the app the ability to draw a small movable window over others, which is the core requirement. With permissions granted, launch the app you enabled and look for its floating option. Many apps have a mini-player icon or a three-dot menu entry labeled Open in Floating Window. Tap that to create the floating instance. Once the float appears, drag the title area to reposition it and use the edges or pinch gestures to resize. This matters because a properly sized window keeps important UI visible. Make sure multitasking stays responsive by avoiding full-screen apps under the float. To finish, learn basic management. Use the floating window's built-in controls to close, minimize, or expand. Some apps also show a persistent notification you can tap to restore the float. If the floating window fails to appear, revoke display over other apps and re-enable it, because permission glitches are common. If problems persist, restart the phone or clear the app cache to reset state. One tip: if resizing behaves oddly, switch navigation mode briefly and then back. That often restores proper interaction.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.